You're getting views, you're getting comments. How do you turn those on Instagram into paid customers? It's kind of a nightmare. You could go through and manually reply to each person, but that will take hours depending on how many you're getting. And that delay, you're losing the customer. Your other option is going to a chatbot. It's going to send the same exact message over and over again, which doesn't convert well. And that's where Dealism 1.0 comes in. It's not a chatbot. It's the world's first AI sales system built on vibe selling, made for Instagram, made for WhatsApp. As always, I'll have a link in the description below. It is dealism.ai. If you're a creator, a coach, a local business, and you want to scale, but you can't keep up with your demand, this is the tool you're going to want to check out. When you log in, you're going to get a screen that looks like this. This is Deal Anka, and it is your sales director. So it's going to be able to train and manage AI sales agents on your behalf. So we can get everything set up in 3 minutes, and we're going to go through that now. We're going to authorize our account. We're going to send it to our website, and it's going to understand our business first. So it's going to train on our business data. I have my business here, thumbnailsa.com, and it is a website that I created where you can go and create high quality thumbnails for videos in any creator style. So I'm going to copy the URL and I'm going to simply put in my website is thumbnailsa.com. I just zoomed in to make it a little easier to read, but you can see here it says I've analyzed Thumbnails A and saved everything about your AI thumbnail generator for YouTube creators. And here's what I captured. So we have our product information, and I did a very good job at pulling this information. We have pricing, we have use cases, and you can see it has all the different use cases. And that says, hey, here's your next steps. So we have to connect our Instagram and WhatsApp, and then we can actually test our agent. So let's click here and we can actually hit connect, or we can go on the side. Let me just close this just to show you. We can go on the side to channels, and you can actually see we have the ability to connect all these different channels. So we can connect WhatsApp, we can connect Instagram. They have Facebook Messenger, text messages, TikTok. The list goes on and on. And when you connect it, it says, hey, do you want Dealism to import and use AI to analyze your Instagram chats for sales knowledge and strategies? And we can hit continue. It's going to look and figure out what I've done in the past to convert customers. I'm going to hit continue, and self-learning is enabled. So you can actually see here we have connected now, and we have our auto DM links from comments and Instagram DMs, and we can hit config if we want. And now we can click new. And basically what this does is if someone posts on a specific post or reel, we can choose exactly which one, or any post or reel, or the next one, like whatever the next one I'm going to post. So say we did any, and it has a specific word like, hey, what's the price? Or can you give me a link? Any of those, then we can automatically reply to their comment with whatever we want under the post. And, or we can send them a DM with the link, and we can actually add the link in that we want to add. But that's not the cool part. Agents is the cool part. You can actually see we have our first agent here. So we have our name of our agent. We can choose the avatar of our agent. We can see the brand, company, product and service, the objective, and we can also see the tone here. So it tells you exactly what and how the agent is going to respond. And then on the right, if I move myself over, you can actually see it's going to give you a demonstration of how it actually works. So I'm just going to reply back, what is the pricing? And you can actually see the agent is now going to start typing, and it's going to give us a response to try to help push our plan to convert the customer. In this case, it's me testing it out. And if you notice, it actually does take a while to type because it feels real. The text and how it replies should feel real. It's gives you like that human touch while still being AI. And you can actually see the response here. Here are plans, and it goes through and shows you all the different plans. And it's really cool because in the tone, we said use these specific emojis, and you can actually see it use those emojis in its response. And if you notice, it even did like a follow-up question here. What type of content are you going to be creating? So I can say I am a gaming channel, and you can actually see how it's going to respond considering I didn't do anything. You saw how I trained it. You saw how I trained Dealism AI to respond to my messages accordingly. I literally just typed on my website. It pulled all the data, and now again, it's going to try to respond to convert me based off a YouTuber with a gaming channel. And the response, gaming, awesome. We have high click-through rate, styles for Minecraft, Roblox, so on and so forth with the pricing, it's selling me exactly what I want it to sell me. And it's natural. It feels natural. And then, of course, we can actually hit create agent if we want, and we can create a whole nother agent. So maybe we want to do like a customer support agent, or we want to do like a collection lead agent. And these are just general. You can go all the way through. You can see all the different categories in different ways. So say we want to promote something, like promote school admissions, or if we're in healthcare, or if we're doing real estate, we can recommend properties for viewing. There are so many different use cases for Dealism, and the entire UI is really clean and simple. So we have our agents, the one I was just showing you. We have our channels. These are the ones that we have connected. We have knowledge, and this is all the knowledge of different things it collected from my website. And as you saw, I didn't type this in manually. It just pulled it. So we have our strategy, we have our FAQ, pricing, product information, use casing, more pricing, more product information. The list goes on and on. It's just pulling all of this data. We can also hit add. We can upload a knowledge file. We can add another link. It can do all of this. And then it even has contacts, which is going to show conversation history that Dealism had with your customers. Under channels, there's even one called live chat, and you can configure this, and it is a live chat widget for your website. So you can actually copy this code, and you can actually put the agent, the sales agent, to work on your own website. So maybe I want to put this on Thumbnails A, so when people went to it, they would be able to talk and understand what it's all about. They can ask questions, they're going to get a human-like response, and Dealism is going to sell Thumbnails A to my customers. So we have all these really cool links on the left, but what's the brains behind the operation? Your AI sales director is Deals Anka, and this is where you can talk to it back and forth, you can have a real conversation to set up the connections between Instagram and WhatsApp and all the other options that they offer. So Deals Anka, your AI sales director, can analyze your existing chat history, extract winning sales tactics, build that custom playbook I was talking about. It can generate chat summaries, lead insights, and suggest the next best action to move forward. It'll automatically follow up and figure out strategies. And then you can use it to test and manage all the different AI agents that you have. You can test the conversation yourself before you even make it live. And then you can even schedule automated tests. So set recurring campaigns, or maybe like a one-time outreach to run exactly when you want it to run. And then the coolest part, in my opinion, if you add new knowledge, it will update the strategies and push the changes across all conversations with no additional setup required. And here's the craziest part about the entire system. It's gapless. It can move the conversation from Instagram to WhatsApp. A user comments on Instagram, Dealism will auto-reply, qualify the lead, and seamlessly move them over to WhatsApp. And it gets better. It doesn't just send text, it can voice replies based off the text you put in. So it feels incredibly personal and human. It'll learn from interactions, update the playbook, and continue to work to get conversions. And throughout this entire process, you're still in control. So on the left here, I actually blanked out all the different chats I have just for privacy reasons, but this would show you all the different chats. And then in the top right, you have Autopilot and Copilot. So Copilot, it'll work with you. Autopilot, it'll just work on its own. And you can actually see my little conversation I have here. And then on the right, it shows you like objective process. So you can actually see it summarizes what the chat is about. It has recommended replies, and you can like refine the reply. You can send it. It will work for you. So it begs the question, is it worth it? And the answer is, if you're selling products through Instagram or WhatsApp, then it's a no-brainer in my opinion. It'll work 24/7 and it works on the cloud. You don't have to have this running locally. It'll reply to all the messages instantly, or instant enough where it feels human, and it'll work in your chosen voice. So you'll never miss a lead, and it'll work while you're sleeping. And then the fact that it continuously works and learns based off the conversations, you can update knowledge extremely easy. It just makes it easy to scale out your business. So you can turn Instagram comments and DMs, have it reply, move them to WhatsApp, and then like continue the conversation. No gaps, no leads lost. And it all feels personal, which makes it great for local businesses, coaches, consultants, content creators, e-commerce, again, anyone selling on Instagram or WhatsApp. It literally replies and sells for you. That's been my experience, at least. I'd love to know what you think about this in the comments below. I have been enjoying bringing you a wide range of AI tools for a wide range of people. Or maybe you want to learn about the latest physical AI products or AI coding tools. I cover it all on this channel. I try to bring you a wide range of interesting AI things every single day. So don't forget to subscribe if you enjoy AI, you want to learn more about it. Like the video, tells the algorithm, hey, you enjoy this type of content, you want to see more of it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time with another AI video.
Right there, AI tools, AI news, AI prompts you can use. It's all for free, just come and see at FranklinAI.com where you're meant to be.